What should I do? Can I share what's in my heart? What should I do? For so much tears me apart. I was a young child who dreamed of being a pilot. That dream's now gone. What could I do? Always call the strongest one. What could I do? Always led right from the front, cooking and cleaning, no space to let my hair down, no space for dreams. Dear parrot and kingfisher, I look at you and I sigh. What would it mean to just feel like? What should I do? Always racing to be the best. What should I do? Even now this crushing quest, searching for India and trying to find her meaning. One more hard test.
Here's what you do. You stop worrying about me. Here's what you do. You stop feeling you must lead.